Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how you can pass like a pro in FC Mobile 25. No worries at all. No matter how strong the opponent is, we'll try to beat them inshallah. Let's see how far we can go by giving it our best shot. First, we need to adjust some settings. Look at the right side of your screen and you will see a settings icon. Click on that and you will find some options here. We are going to start by adjusting the graphics settings. Click on graphics and you will see the frame rate option. Try to set the frame rate to high. If your device doesn't support it, no problem. Just set it as high as possible. Standard is fine if high isn't available. Next, click again on settings and go to gameplay and scroll down. You will see some important options here. Turn on advanced passing and also turn on double tap gesture pass. These will help you perform ground passes and overhead passes smoothly. Now, let's talk about the players. If I show you my club, you can see I have got some top players, Son, Mbappe, Salah and others. Make sure you keep well-known, high-rated players in your squad, especially those good at passing. Don't fill your team with random players. Stick with quality. Also, make sure to upgrade your players to level 30. Focus on a solid group instead of constantly switching players. As you can see, I have upgraded all my players to level 30 and now we are ready to play. So let's jump into a match and show them what you can do. So guys, during the match, you can see I'm passing the ball between my players. Make sure to watch which player is free to receive the ball and ensure there's a space to pass. If you do this, you will pass easily. Don't stress, just focus on keeping the ball at your feet. Whenever you see a player free, use the double tap option by tapping the screen twice. This will pass the ball over the opponent's head. If you can't pass on the ground, this feature is super helpful. In this clip, you can see I'm passing over the opponent's heads and scoring a clear goal just by following the passing techniques. Use your joystick to select players smoothly or tap directly on the player you want to pass to. It's pretty cool and pretty simple. Just pick whichever method you like. Keep the ball at your feet. Don't let the opponent gain control, and they will start getting frustrated and aggressive. That's your moment to strike. Here's the secret. When you pass correctly and keep possession, the opponent starts playing rough and may commit fouls. If you manage this well, you might earn a penalty or a free kick, and that's a big advantage for you. To pull this off, you need strong players as I mentioned earlier, no matter the OVR is. So remember, keep an eye on which player is free, use double tap to pass over the opponent's head, hold on to the ball, and when the chance comes, go for the goal. So that's all for today's video. I'm keeping it short. And one last important tip. If you see that your player is not behaving like energetic or unable to gaining the control of the ball, then you have to change your playing style from defense, moderate, or attack. Just try to adjust this in your whole gameplay. And if you find your players is energetic, keep that. Because sometimes, the developer company uses script and it becomes so hard to beat the opponent. So that's all about today's video. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.